everyone, and welcome to Terraria. Sorry about my delay on making videos. Well, I guess you just experienced a longer delay for Christmas, but anyway, I just got back in Colorado, so I didn't make any videos then. And let's just play Terraria. As you can see, Inkwell Isle 1, I made that after Cuphead. I'm probably going to restart my Cuphead series, because when I did that jump, I just didn't want to redo the bosses, but I don't really care now. So let's get started. Okay. Okay, on my other computer, this game is so laggy, so I hope it's better here. I already know how to play this game. I used to play this on my phone. Well, I still do, but I lost all my progress. I hate when that happens. Anyway, so let's get some wood so we can get weapons, build a house. You know the drill. Well, I guess you don't, since half of you probably never played Terraria before. Maybe more than half, maybe less than half. I don't know. So we're getting a lot of wood. Not as laggy as on my other computer, because I just got a new computer for Christmas, so I've been using it a lot. So this is working. This is gonna be annoying. Okay. I need like 100, and as you can see, I have like 82. I mean 87. Can't read. Can't read numbers. That's not embarrassing. Okay, so if you can't hear the music, I'm sorry. I don't have my screen recorder. It's called Screencast-O-Matic. Unless I have Pro, I really can't. What's it called? Have video game audio, but I think it's picking it up since I don't have headphones on. Well, anyway, so yeah, I don't have much equipment. I just got a microphone and webcam. If you've seen my Mad Father series, if you haven't, go watch it, please. I'm trying. So, if you want me to stay with this game, I need to see those likes and those views. I care more about the views and the likes, but I don't care. Oh, hi friend. They say there's a person who will help you how to survive in this land. Oh wait, that's me. Ha ha ha. Okay, bye. Bye. Goodbye. I'm just leaving this guy. So, I'm trying to think, where should I build my house? But first, we need to get rid of all this stuff right here. Because we can't. Okay, it's a slime. Oh, my best friend, the slime. So, here is what I'm going to do. Oh, wow, we just slayed that thing. Never it is. Now I'm getting confused on what these things are. Okay, maybe I'm not. At least I played this game before. I'm not a noob. They say computers a lot better than mobile, but we'll see. I'm not sure. Come on, build. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we are building. Oh, come on. Build. Can't go any higher? Okay, then we're just gonna go this way. That's a bit much. You see, how is this guy building this wood when he can't even reach where we're going? Where we're building. I mean, this is crazy. Okay, my friend's playing Geometry Dash, nice. Oh, yeah. Shout out to my man, KBM Gaming. Go subscribe to him. I'll do that link down below thing. I'm not good at that kind of stuff. So, it takes me so much longer. And imagine if I start editing my videos. I don't really do that yet, because my Screencast-O-Matic doesn't let me, because I don't have Pro. Once again. Drives me crazy. So, what I'm gonna do is make it 2 rooms, because I want to be able to have a second floor. Like that. Now, let's destroy this, so we can make doors. But before all that, we need to go craft something. And that's a crafting table. Excuse me. Pretty congested. My allergies are always driving me crazy. Okay, so let's go make some house stuff, I guess. I don't really know what kind of stuff it is. Okay, so we got a wooden door. That's nice. And then we want another. There, no, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna put one more in our inventory since it's pretty high up. And now we're just gonna make some platforms. No, our way. Okay. Let's get 4 wood platforms, should be enough. I don't really know though. Oh yeah, that's good. Only thing about this is you always have to open the door and close it yourself. In mobile, you didn't have to do that. Okay. No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, yeah, that's not very nice. Okay, so now we'll need to build some platforms. Yeah, how many did we put? 4? That was enough. Glad. Okay, you can't close it from here, but hey, do I care? So we're just gonna break the wood from here. So what I'm doing may look odd, because it is. So I'm gonna break this platform, put it back in my inventory, and rebuild it at a higher point. Okay, so first, these guys need to go away. Okay, so this is a lot more trouble than it should be, because, once again, I don't play on computer much. I recently got this from Steam. No, I put blocks, oh my gosh, I hate my life. No, I don't hate my life. Oh, critical hit. Critical hit. It's like we're playing Pokemon. Critical hit. It was a critical hit. Except usually it's the opponent that gives you a critical hit, and that drives me crazy. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I keep falling. Okay. Attempt 4. To put down platforms. Okay, yeah, that's nice. That's not what I wanted at all. I hate myself. Attempt 332,899 times pi. 3.1 for 1.826. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. There, finally. Now, how do you descend? Oh, it's ass. Okay. I'm learning. Okay, that did not feel good. How little health does this song have? 14 health. That's just sad, guys. 14 health. That's 4 hits. I mean 3 hits. On mobile, it's like no hits. Well, on my old account, I used to be amazing. I mean, I had glorified. Well, let's just say I kind of cheated, but not really. I used to be a lot better. One of my friends, his name's Mason. He knows who I'm talking about. Anyway, he gave me Cobalt, and then from there I just got really good. I got like Dragon Armor, I think. I can't remember. But I just got OP. Anyway, so let's get some walls, a table, you know the drill. Well, no, you don't actually. Because you, as I said, a lot of you have played Terraria. No, or what? And then we want a table. Like that. Put it right here. Okay, no, doesn't fit. Okay. So what we're gonna have to do, put that in the inventory. ESC. One new item in my inventory. That's very nice. That means I can start making some money. Okay, not really that much, but hey, something. So we're gonna put this about right here. Put a crafting table in front of it. This is not needed at all. Wait, do we have gel from slime? Slime? We don't? We didn't get any gel from killing that slime. Okay, that's kind of weird. That's not weird at all. So go all the way up. Okay, stop there. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, we do have gel. Wait, where do we get our gel? Oh, right there. Okay. All the way down there. Okay. Let's go this way. Wood wall. Yeah. Okay, we need a lot more than 4. Oh my gosh. I'm looking at how long this video's been. It's already been 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll have to end this video soon. I wish I could make longer videos for you guys, but Screencast-O-Matic won't let me unless I get pro and spend $18 a year, which is really not that much. But my parents won't let me, so. But one day I'll be there too. One day. Okay, and I'm gonna put. Oh, that's not correct. Okay. Okay, and we're almost done. And look at that. It only took almost 1 episode to build an entire house. Well, still have to put the walls on the other side, but look at that. Okay. We'll get a wooden sword because look at the difference. 5, 7. Short swords are even worse than anything. I think a bow would help. I don't know about a hammer, but a bow would be nice. So we'll delete this wood, we don't really need it. Well, I kind of did need that wood, but I can just turn this wood wall into wood if I need to. I only need 1 wood. So, really? It's not that bad. Okay, so let's open this door. And let's get a torch. Okay, oh yay, we still get that. Okay, so now we can make a torch. Just gonna place a torch here and here. Okay. So look what we did in 1 episode. So that's I'm actually pretty impressed on the progress we made in just 1 episode. Oh wow, slimes? That just murdered the bunny. Now I feel bad for the bunny. And now that makes me want to kill the slime. And you already know what's gonna happen to the slime when I kill the slime. So this is gonna be horrible for the slime. See, rapid fire, please, no? Okay. And Terraria Mobile, they got rapid fire, and this doesn't have it. But I can 2-hit this slime, okay? Well, if it's 7 or more each time. Okay. So let's just trash the rest of our items that we don't need. Bye-bye. 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 Okay. Our inventory is clean. Well, that's in this video here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed Terraria itself. Be sure to subscribe to KBM Gaming if you haven't. And be sure to leave this video a like and subscribe right down below.